Hey YouTube, so my next project, winter is coming, and I have one of the pull-down attic staircases, which I don't know if you could see, but the thing never sits right. It never seals all the way, and we get heat escaping in the winter and cold escaping in the summer. So anyway, my solution for that is over here. They make an insulated blanket, which we're going to put up, and let's see how it does. Hopefully it'll do the job for me. Okay, so basically before I put it up in the attic, I just wanted to show it to you. It's basically like a big insulated blanket with a zipper. So when I go up there, I can unzip the hatch and zip it up when I'm done to stop the air flowing. We're going to use a staple gun for this. We're going to staple it all around the frame. So I'm going to go up there and start the process, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, YouTube, I am up in my attic, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. Listen, shh, don't tell my wife, because I don't think she'd be too happy if she knew I was showing you her mess up here, because she packs this place like there's no tomorrow. Anyway, the idea is we're going to take this and we're going to staple it onto the frame here. Now I'm going to have to improvise a bit because I think the size is not exact, and I also don't have a full frame on this side, so I'm going to have to staple it, I think, to the bottom. But like most things, you know what? I can make it work with what I have. That's what I do. So I'm going to start stapling along here with it, and I'll show you as I go along. All right, YouTube, so I still have more to do, but I want to give you an idea. So on this side, to improvise, I'm actually going to the top of the frame, where on this side, I'm able to go against the wall. So I still got some more staples to put in, but I wanted to show you. And the back, this is actually longer than my area. So same thing, I'm going to bring this in. I'm stapling it this way, and I'm gonna make it work, because that's what we gotta do with these projects. So this is going to work out okay. I just need to put in some more staples, then we'll zip it up and I'll show you. All right, YouTube, I have it complete. I'm going to go up a little closer and show it to you, but I just want to show you it from down here because you're not going to be able to see the whole thing. Yeah, I mean, this whole thing took about 5 minutes to do. I basically just was able to fit it in. I put staples all around, about every 4 inches or so. In the back, see where it's big? I improvised, but it's all nice and sealed, and this should make a big difference. This should definitely help keep the heat down, so I think this is going to work out pretty good. I mean, you know, pretty inexpensive solution. I picked this up from Amazon, so yeah, I think this is going to be good. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out some of my other videos. Have a great day.